Founded in 2014, Baicells Technologies provides in-house design for RRU, BBU, CPE, and core network. With the characteristics of high throughput, low latency, and architecture flexibility, 5G helps the industrial manufacturers transform to a more intelligent network. We offer complete end-to-end solutions at factories, mining, transportation ports, and emergency communication. Baicells Solutions supporting 4G IoT, Wi-Fi, and 5G technologies. From the material acquisition to assignment, semi-product transporting and storaging, it is controlled by different sensors with real-time data that can monitor from the station and the control room. Monitoring the production process, 3D scenario display, raw material preparation, auto transport to the assigned production line, record all the production specs. The safe production environment is now monitored remotely with our 5G intelligence solution. Automatic handling of products. Intelligent logistics system manages the warehouse and production capability. Safe and reliable network performance. Real-time monitoring. Maintain. Baicells 5G one-stop solution will provide reliable and efficient solutions for traditional manufacturing, 5G media, oil and mining industries in future. 4G, IoT, Wi-Fi, and 5G technologies most important, we combine the system to one.
Why Bay? Can you tell us more about the 5G solutions for a smart factory?
To answer this question, we need to firstly understand what 5G can bring to us. Baicells 5G system have three major characteristics. One is big bandwidth, second is low latency, third one is massive access. Big bandwidth can enable high-definition video capturing. Thus, we can recreate the whole image via the augmented reality or virtual reality. Low latency can enable very precious operation from the remote, thus eventually enable the online and offline coordination. Massive access can help us to collect as much as data from all the kinds of devices. Thus, eventually, we could do a lot of big data analysis and processing the data. With the network slicing capabilities, we can resolve all the requirements within one system. Last and the most important thing is Baicells try to build the system as simple as possible so that the factory does not need a telecom expert to operate the system. A normal IT engineer would be good enough to make the factory smart via the Baicells 5G technologies.
My second question to you is about the value that 5G can bring or brings to the factory.
The value 5G can bring to the industry application would be the flexibility of building a factory and also the visibility of how much we consumed and how much we generated.
And here is my last question to you, Wei. You mentioned the manufacturing sector. Can you tell us more about other sectors that you believe 5G will enable?
We believe 5G is the key technology to enable the high-speed digital path to Industry 4.0. With the capability to rebuild the image from remote, we can enable video entertainment. We can enable also the remote medical care or elderly care. We can also enable oil and gas for security reasons together with the artificial intelligence.